Hi, it's Erin. Today I'm going to do a quick demo of this. It's called YouPost. It caught my eye because I can open the YouTube video and press the extension button, receive an article, and read it. So let me test it now. This is one of the videos I found from the YouTube. As you can see, this is from the YouTube. Here is the Chrome extension YouPost. I purchased this Chrome extension and then I installed it. Click it. Now in 1 second, it generated with a picture, the text. When you click on the language, actually I can see only English here. Sorry, this is Korean, but it's English on and off picture. And you can save as PDF file to your computer or you can print right away. Let's go to the video again. When you see here, these 3 dots, when you click that, you can see the script. I'm supposed to change this language to English. We can see the script here. When you see this timestamp, you can go ahead and click these 3 dots and remove the timestamp. So you can copy and paste if that is identical. It seems it's not copied from the script to create this article. It's not a perfect article. As you can see, it's not really. So you have to be reading it and then edit it if you want to reuse this content for your articles or create your own video. When we go back to this deal sites, as you can see, this is only $59 one-time cost, but this is for only plus exclusive customer only for this appsumo.com websites. Unlimited conversions, one account for different computers, video to text conversion, video to article conversion, receive text and images from the video, SEO-friendly articles, video conversion in seconds, easy-to-use Chrome extension. But when we check the review, it shows that the other videos are not working with this Chrome extension. Only the YouTube videos can work. But other reviews looks good. It looks amazing products. This person said, wonderful, easy to install. I love it. It works a single click. Some people loved it. Some people didn't really love it. So to me, I think that it'd be useful when I am learning different language or trying to find some kind of content research to create my YouTube videos, writing content. It's a very simple Chrome extension. You can get it in a one-time cost. You can leave a comment right below if you have any questions because I'm going to use this. But I'm not a tech person or I'm not from them, so I won't be able to answer some kind of complex or tech questions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you can watch the other awesome demo videos, honest review videos. Thank you.